Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some cozy cottage style home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Cozy cottage style home decor is a warm, comfortable, and inviting decorating style inspired by small countryside homes. It focuses on softness, natural elements, winter's charm, and a lived-in homely feeling. The goal is to make your space feel peaceful, relaxing, and full of personality, like a sweet countryside cottage where everything feels comforting. What is cozy cottage style home decor? Cozy cottage decor is all about warm plus welcoming atmosphere, like soft lighting, warm colors, comfy furniture, and plenty of textures make the room feel relaxing and home-like. Uses natural materials like wood, stone, rattan, cotton, linen, jute, and plants. Help give a fresh, nature-connected vibe. Key features of cozy cottage decor: soft, layered textures like knit throws, crochet pillows, old blankets, cotton curtains. Layering textures makes the home feel warm and snuggly. Rustic wooden furnitures, that wood, whitewashed finishes, and natural timber pitches create the classic cottage charm. Light and airy look, lots of natural light and soft curtains make rooms feel open and breezy. Thrifted and vintage items use old clocks, frames, baskets, candles, old books, ceramic pots, and vintage platters add a nostalgic vibe. Nature inside the home, indoor plants, fresh flowers, often baskets, botanical prints. This keeps your cottage space feeling alive and refreshing. Examples of cozy cottage decor items is floral cushions, wicker baskets, white or pastel furniture, soft rug, vintage mirrors, rustic wooden shelves, lace, crochet or embroidered textiles, ceramic vases with flowers. Where you see cozy cottage style living rooms with warm lighting and comfy setting, bedrooms with layered bedding and soft colors, kitchens with open shelves and charming vintage items. Cozy cottage style is not just a decorating method, it is a feeling. It is about creating a peaceful, lived-in, comforting space where everything looks warm, soft, and charming. The heart of cozy cottage style: comfort first. Cozy cottage homes never feel formal or perfect. Instead, they feel warm, gentle, and lived in. Furniture is soft and comfortable. Rooms are welcoming. Spaces feel safe and relaxing. There are cozy corners for reading and resting. Nothing feels too fancy or stiff. It is all about comfort over perfection. A mix of old and new. A cozy cottage home uses a beautiful combination of things. First, old, vintage or antique. Use wooden dressers, distressed furniture, vintage clocks, old framed photos, floral china platters. Next, new. Use fresh cushion, modern rugs, light paint colors. The mix creates a charming, nostalgic home with modern comfort. Nature everywhere. Nature is a big part of cottage decorating. You will see plants placed in corners or on windowsills, fresh flowers on tables, natural wooden furniture, wicker and rattan baskets, light that follows naturally. These elements bring calmness and freshness to the home. Soft colors that calm the mind. Cozy cottage style uses peaceful and soothing colors like cream, warm white, soft green, pastel pink, lily yellow, dusty blue, muted browns. These colors make a room feel gentle, airy, and cozy. Charming details that add personality. Cozy cottage homes are full of cute, sweet, and personal touches. Small lamps with soft light, candles, window mirrors, floral wallpapers, lace toilets, handmade crochet pieces, oven baskets for storage, framed botanical art. These tiny details make the space feel warm and loved. Cozy cottage fabrics. Fabrics are important in this style because they add softness. Common fabrics: cotton, linen, lace, crochet, soft wools, floral and gingham prints. Layering these fabrics adds charm and comfort. Furniture style. Cozy cottage furniture is often rustic, slightly worn or painted, whitewashed, curved, soft shaped. Comfortable and inviting, nothing too modern or sharp. Everything looks friendly and gentle. A touch of handmade craft. Handmade items like crochet pillows, knitted blanket throws, embroidered covers, handmade pottery. This makes the home feel personal, warm, and special. A home that tells a story. Cozy cottage style celebrates memories and stories. You might see old family photos, a vintage vase that belonged to grandparents, books that look aged, Decor collected from travels. Every piece adds personality and charm. Where you can use cozy cottage style. You can decorate living room, bedroom, dining area, kitchen, or entryway. Every room becomes calm, warm, and welcoming. Cozy cottage style is a combination of warmth, softness, nostalgia, and natural beauty. It creates a home that feels peaceful, lived-in, and full of charm. The lifestyle behind cozy cottage decor. Cozy cottage is not only about looks, it is about how you want your home to feel. It represents solo living, peaceful mornings, simple comfort, natural beauty, a stress-free environment. It is inspired by old countryside cottages, where life was calm, quiet, and connected to nature. Color philosophy in cozy cottage style. Colors are chosen carefully to make the home feel soothing. Common cozy cottage colors plus how they make you feel. Soft white, or clean, bright, and peaceful. Cream base for warm, cozy, and gentle. Pastel pink, sweet and romantic. Rustic blue, calm and relaxing. Shades green for natural and fresh. Warm brown, rustic and grounding. These colors reduce visual stress and make a space feel safe and comfortable. Cottage textures, the secret of warmth. Texture is one of the most important parts of this style. Most use textures: soft cotton, linen curtains, oven-toed rugs, russet blankets, floppy cushions, wicker baskets, distressed wood furniture. Mixing soft plus natural textures creates a warm, layered feeling. Cozy cottage furniture style. Furniture is never sharp, ultra-modern, or shiny in this style. It is usually includes curved edged instead of straight lines, whitewashed wood, slightly worn or withered look, floral or soft patterned cushions, oversized, comfy sofas, small winter-style tables. The goal is to make furniture feel approachable and friendly. Vintage and sentimental elements. Cozy cottage decor celebrates memories and sentiments. You will often find old books stacked on shelves, antique lamps, ceramic pictures, vintage clocks, floral teacups, handmade embroidery, heirloom items. These items add heart and personality. Natural material safety-fire. Nature is the soul of cottage homes. You will see plants placed around the home, fresh or dried flowers used on tables, rattan chairs, clay or ceramic pots, sunlight following through shade curtains. This connects the home to the natural world. Atmosphere. Lighting is everything. Cozy cottage lighting is always soft, warm, and diffused. Use warm lamps, fairy lights, candles, soft lampshades, gentle wall lights. No harsh white lighting, only warm, golden, comforting glow. Cozy cottage patterns. Patterns add character and charm. Most popular patterns floral prints, small windows, flowers, tints, checks, ginghams, polka dots, toile. This gives a sweet, old fashioned feeling. Cozy cottage kitchen and dining style. A cottage style kitchen feels warm and homey. Includes open wooden shelves, ceramic jars, floral plates, copper utensils, wooden cutting boards, lace table linens, fresh herbs in pots. The kitchen feels like the heart of the home. Cozy cottage bedroom feeling. The bedroom feels like a soft nest. Includes layered bedding, crochet troughs, soft pillows, vintage bedside lamps, light pastel colors, floral curtains, wooden bedside table. Everything feels gentle and dreamy. Cozy cottage decor philosophy at its core. Cozy cottage decor is about comfort, simplicity, nature, nostalgia, warmth, peace, handmade beauty. It is a style that makes you feel like you're living in a sweet countryside retreat. Cozy cottage is not just a look, it is a feeling, an atmosphere, and a lifestyle. The architectural influence behind cozy cottage style, even though you may not change your home's architecture, knowing its influence helps you decorate better. Classic cottages usually have low ceilings, exposed wooden beams, stone or brick textures, small, charming rooms, soft arched doorways, wooden or vintage style windows. So cozy cottage decor tries to intimate this warmth even in modern houses. Emphasize on practical storage with charm. Cottages are small, so they use smart, pretty storage. Examples: wicker baskets for blankets, wooden cradles for books, ceramic jars for kitchen items, small shelves for decor, fabrics lined baskets, vintage cabinets. Storage is both functional and beautiful. The art of layering, a key cottage technique. Layering makes the space cozy. In a living room, use a soft rug, layered cushions, a throw blanket, a mix of prints like straps plus florals plus solids. In a bedroom is cotton bedsheet, comforter, crochet or knit blanket, decorative cushions. Layering adds depth, comfort, and warmth. Cozy cottage does not aim for perfection. Unlike modern minimalist style, cozy cottage embraces slight imperfections, handmade items, own out finishes, uneven textures, a lived-in charm. It feels real, human, and warm, not overly polished. Seasonal touches in a cozy cottage style. The cozy cottage look changes beautifully with the seasons. First, spring is fresh flowers, light pastel colors, and floral patterns. For summer, use breezy cotton curtains, natural jute rugs, light wooden decor. For autumn, use warm orange and brown tones, knitted blankets, candles, and cozy lighting. For winter, thick gauze, woolen blankets, rustic wooden decor. Every season adds a new layer of coziness. Small decorative pieces create the cottage atmosphere. Its vintage style mirrors, botanical framed prints, candles and lanterns, crochet tireless, antique vases or trays, tiny collections like teacups, books, or jars. Often placements. Each item adds personality and warmth. Types of furniture finishes used. Furniture in cozy cottages often includes whitewashed wood, distress paint, chalk paint finish, natural wood, soft pastel painted furniture. This finishes keeps the space light, rustic, and cozy. Cozy cottage style equal emotional comfort. Most importantly, this style creates emotional warmth. A place to relax, a peaceful environment, a sense of safety, a nostalgic feeling, a home filled with personality. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.